Hi, my name is Thaddeus Oguero Socha. I am an online student of Brigham Young University, Idaho, currently living in the United Arab Emirates. Today, I want to talk about the benefits of physical activity on your body and overall health. A couple of years ago, I was an active footballer. I used to play 2 times daily, in the morning and in the evening. During those days, I used to be fit and healthy with a body weight of 70 kg. When I stopped playing football and participating in other exercises, my weight increased to 90 kg. But today, as I have resumed with my daily exercise, I have lost 15 kg of body weight. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, physical activity is any bodily movement that is produced by the contraction of skeletal muscle and that substantially increases energy expenditure. While an exercise is a planned, structured, and repetitive physical activity that helps to maintain the components of physical fitness. Regular exercise helps your body in several ways. 1. It improves body glucose control in your body. It reduces the rate of heart disease by improving your circulatory system. It makes you to be fit and healthy at all times. It helps you to improve your strength. It prevents you from various types of diabetes. In 2018, the World Health Organization launched a global action plan that calls all countries, cities, and communities to encourage all sectors and stakeholders to provide safe and supportive environments as well as opportunities that will help people increase their levels of physical activity. Some forms of physical activity that you can engage in order to improve your health and body include 1. Going for a walk, 2. Riding on a bicycle, 3. Running, 4. Doing household chores, 5. Taking the stairs instead of elevators or escalators, and 6. Playing at the park. There are various levels of intensities of physical activities. Participating in any of these levels or intensities will depend on how hard your body has to work. We have the moderate intensity. This is the level where you can talk while doing the exercise, but it does not involve singing a song. Some examples are brisk walking and playground activities. You can do this for a minimum of 30 minutes per day. Number 2, the vigorous intensity or level. This level involves saying more than a few words without pausing for a breath while in activity. Few examples are running and swimming. You can also do this for at least 30 minutes daily. Number 3, strength and balance level. This level includes certain activities that strengthen your muscle and bone. You should do this for at least 3 times per week. Some examples are lifting weights, walking with resistant bands, push-ups, and yoga. Physical activity is essential for you to be fit and healthy. Start small today and feel better tomorrow. I urge you to join our program. Register for the 2 weeks free training and tutorial. Thank you for listening. For more inquiries, send us an email to oswachatedi@gmail.com or log into our website https://sites.google.com/view/promoting-physical-activity. Thank you.